What's your name?
Lowen.
That's great. So where are you from,
Yeah.
Luen?
Philippines.
Philippines. Okay, that's good.
And you are?
I'm Shamrat, and I'm from Bangladesh. Do you know Bangladesh?
Yeah, Bangladesh.
Yeah, Bangladesh. Do you know?
Okay, Bangladesh. Yes.
Okay, how do you know Bangladesh? Do you have you talked before with anyone Bangladeshi?
Yun ang Bangladesh, Mitch. Dili ba? Lugar, place.
Yeah, Bangladesh is a country. Okay, it's a country. It's beside India and Myanmar.
Myanmar.
Yeah. So, what's your job?
Nice country. Working salon.
Yeah, my country is really a nice country. And what's your job? Like, do you work or do you study or what?
I'm in work now.
Your work. Okay, you're working. Hmm.
I'm working now.
Is it what? What? Where do you work? It's like hotel, any restaurant. What?
Salon.
Is it?
Hair, nails.
Oh, okay.
Then, services.
You can. Ah, okay. They can. You can do facials maybe
Sorry about your hair.
and haircut, nails. I don't know. That's good.
You need to nail. You need to. Sigalan na eh.
What?
Doing your nails.
Okay. You are the colors. Like you can color your nails, right? Or
Yeah.
cut, and you are working for look pretty nails or hair or something like that maybe or face. So
Sige nang services dyan nga natanan
I think
in English.
you can't understand that. So by the way, so when when your work is
hard.
started,
It's so hard to English. My God, I hate drop.
it's not hard. It's easy. It's easy peasy. If you try, then it should be more easy.
Easy, but so pronounce it's so very hard. Our tongue is so very gahe. Sige na na.
Okay.
So very kuan na yung our tongue is so very hard to speak, but we can.
So do you know what is the meaning of hey? Do you know what is the meaning of Miss Kita?
What?
What is the meaning of Miss Kita?
Miss Kita is I miss you.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you know
My,
what is the meaning of Mahal Kita?
I love you.
Oh my goodness. Really? Okay.
Okay.
Like,